Did not know it was possible to fit this much stuff in an SL63. Look at the license plate. That's not America, baby. Look at the sidewalk. Look at where we're at, baby. Look what we got. Look at the wheels on this thing, bro. This is ridiculous. We rented two bangers.
Blue though. Tell me this blue ain't
Is this blue?
Exactly.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now. Look at yourself. You like that? Last few miles, maybe a little sunset drive in the AMG. I'm not sure if there's anything better, man. Oh my goodness, look at this. Look at this angle. If that's not a thumbnail, then I don't know what is. Oh yeah, look at that. That's premium. Everything about this is, oh my. This little bad boy, hey. These are the most useless back seats I think I've ever seen.
Whoa, that's...
It's crazy, huh?
Oh, this is what you're seeing?
Oh,
that's
shit.
Crazy.
The closest thing I've driven to this, I did have an AMG GT for like 6 months or a year. Whoa, I like this. The little all-falter back. Back. But yeah, that car was probably a little bit more sporty than this one because this is like the luxury version. But man, I miss that car. I miss that car every day. So this is a little nostalgic for me, for surely. Oh, dude, these new steering wheels. Wow. Nah, okay, I like this. This is comfy as hell. Oh. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, something's in Sport Plus. Holy moly.
How do you put the spoiler up?
You know how to put the spoiler up, or just automatically goes? And now you're talking. Oh, yeah.
There we go. Oh, there it is.
Okay. Oh, I see it now. Nah, we're moving fucking now, fellas. Oh, forgot it's on the stock, man. I never liked how they changed that. Oh, little mini curb, I guess. Sun feels nice. Damn, you can definitely feel how much smaller this one feels than the M5 is massive. Guy ran the red. It's not like I'm being dangerous. Ooh, sunset. Then they both beat you when you're breaking the speed limit. It's kind of funny. Oh shit. Oh, he's coming after me. Dude, they're good. These things are nice. They're real good. Yeah, this one definitely sounds better. The V8 and everything, it's like roaring, bro. Not on the real Autobahn anymore. Oh, it's even going down to 60 because of the construction. that thing's kind of cool. I never even looked at the front grille from the shit skis. Fit body, get in there. Yeah. Oh, he's gonna go all the way across. Very nice. I don't know if I do. We're gonna be in the city from now on. Traffic light view. It's nuts. I like that.
Alright, shoes can't go too fast.
Hey. I can still go right now though.
There you go.
It's bad timing. Hey.
I just won't let you drive. Probably just can't do it like fast.
That makes sense. Oops. Hey, it's green though. Oh, there's a nice little street. Oh, nice little. Any Porsche is sick, bro. The Taycan. That guy doesn't give a fuck. That's awesome. What a beautiful place. Berlin. Oh, see, I can't even see that from our POV. That's crazy.
Like they don't have it like there.
Yeah, a little blind
like
spot.
That, you know, if you pull up to it, it's kind of past you.
Just mean I can go right here too?
Yeah.
Alright, alright. See, once we're in the city, this shit gets wicked. Ooh, another little straight. Damn, with the needle? Holy shit. This is nuts.
That's so fucking sick.
Bro, what in the sunset? That shit looks nuts. Bro, what?
That's sick as fuck.
What? Okay. Okay.
That shit just fucking buggy as hell.
Right? Oh, baby. Actually feels a lot better than I thought it would. The steering is super loose though. Even in Sport Plus, this is like the lightest little.
Compared to the Beamer.
Yeah, yeah. The Beamer has like proper steering. This is all like, this feels crazy.
The brakes too. It's like a little. Everything's a little tighter on the Beamer.
Yeah, I agree. You can tell this is a luxury little vehicle.
Nice, we're gonna get the parking spot.
Hey, beat him. Nice try, fellas. Yeah, I actually can't see any of those. I can't see that one. That's crazy. Is this a red? Dude, I have no fucking idea. Fuck it. Yeah.
Or no, the next
Oh, it's the next one, dude. I'm tweaking. No, I'm tweaking. That's on me. Hey. Yeah, me neither. Holy shit.
We went to the wrong side of it. Let's see if there's any spots down here.
That'd be lit.
Last time we had to drive all the way around the other side.
Kimchi Princess. Shit looks lit. Oh, guy's gonna. It's crazy. Thought the guy was gonna hit that fucking biker. Church over there, sirens. Oh, this is Berlin. I want to cut off this biker. We're gonna have to do it quickly, huh? Sorry, Mr. Biker. I think it's one more right. Oh yeah. Yeah, over this way. In the city. The cobble roads. Not there. Let's hope they're not there. Oh, excuse me, sir. Go ahead. Oh, you motherfucker. Oh, there's a fucking van there. Wow. Someone swooped in, huh?
You didn't get a parking spot with this?
For real, right? Damn. I mean, unless I could just. That's almost no.
Is that enough there?
No parking from Vaughn to 7.
Yeah, we'd have it out before 7.
Let's do it. Just do a classic little fucking. I don't think that's a real curb, so I can really just get up there.
Cool.
Cool.